If you have been using Gemini AI to generate images and you don't like that Gemini watermark that appears on it, let me walk you through on how to remove it. The first step you need to take is to launch your web browser. Just click inside here and search for free watermark remover. Alright, just type it. You can see the test, free watermark remover. So press the enter key of your computer keyboard for it to search. Now this has returned some search results for us, but where I want us to use, or what I want us to use, is this one pointing at watermarkremover.io. Alright, so I've tried it before, so click on that. You'll be taken to this web page, so click on upload. Navigate to the photo, the Gemini generated photo that has that watermark. Alright, this one has it. So click on the photo and click on open. Wait for it to analyze the photo. Within a minute or less, the logo will be removed. You can see it has been removed in this case. And the next step is to click on download image. This will download the photo into the downloads folder of your PC. And when this is done, it maintains its file size, the original size of the file. So let's go and check out. So I'll click on my file explorer, click on downloads, then I will double click on it. And look at it, everything is beautiful. Then let's talk of another way you can remove this watermark for free, but this is for Windows users, right? Those that use the updated version of Windows 11. Okay, so what you need to do is to double click on the photo. This does not require you to go to the web. You can see the original photo here. Look at the Gemini logo here. Then click on edit. On clicking on edit, you will see this photo app will take you to this page. It comes pre-installed on every Windows 11 PC. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on this eraser icon. Okay, so once you click on that, take your cursor to that logo. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then move, okay, for that logo to be selected. Just wait for it to erase the logo. And here the logo is erased. So if you like, you can save a copy of this or just click here and then select save for it to replace the original photo. But here, let's save a copy. I will select save as copy. Then I'll click on the desktop. That is where I want to save it. And let's call this Gemini Gen 2. Alright, I'll click on save. Then this is saved. Let's close this. Then look at the file here. I will double click for us to be sure that everything is clean, and it is clean. So any of the two methods will work fine for you. But if you're a Windows 11 user and you're not seeing the feature I talked about when I clicked on edit, there's something you need to do. You need to update your OS. And for you to do that, click here and then click on settings. On this new page, click on Windows Updates. Then click on check for updates here. It must have new updates. Once it shows up, click on install or download. After that, it will automatically tell you to restart your PC. Once you do that, you have these new features in the Photos app of Windows 11. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.